collection. 7. Super time! Guys, welcome back to Happy Hoopy Life! Today, I'm going to teach you guys more hula hooping tricks, and I have a special guest. Come on! What's your name?
Maya.
Maya, how long have you been hula hooping for?
A few months.
A few months? I'm wondering which trick can you do it?
Let's do it.
Let's do it! Okay, Maya-chan, which trick can you do it? Can you show us?
Okay.
Wow! She can do the tummy hula hooping. And what's next? Can you do anything else from here?
No.
Okay, Shiho wants to teach you. So, when you hula hooping, you can turn around in the same direction. Maya-chan, that's a different direction. You're gonna turn around same direction with hula hoop go. So, if you're hula hooping, turn right side, you're gonna turn right. If you're hula hooping, turning left side, you're gonna turn left. Can you show us?
Okay.
Okay. Wow! Can you do again? Turn. Turn. Nice. Okay, can you do it again? Turn. And smile big to the camera. Ta-da! After turnaround trick, you can do one leg turn. One leg turn. Let's practice one leg turn. Hula hoop all the way up. Hop. Come next to me. 1, 2, 3, down. Nice. And one leg for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hop. And which leg? Are you good with the balance? Which leg?
Left leg.
Left leg. So you can turn with left leg. Hop. One more. Hop. One more. Hop. Now, grab the hoop and turn with one leg. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Nice one. 1, 2, 3. One leg turn. Nice one. So, I'm gonna teach her the last trick of the tummy hula hooping. This is a little bit difficult, but see, she can do it or not. Let's do it. The next step is jump and turn. 1, 2, 3. Jump and turn. 1, 2, 3. Jump and turn. Oh, when you jump, make sure you jump nice and straight. Not on the side. Then you will lose balance. So make sure when you jump nice and straight. Try. Yes, nice half circle. But one leg turn with jump. Half circle. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Jump and turn. Ta-da! Wow, thank you, Maya, for joining us. Happy Hoopy Life. It was really good.
Yes.
Did you like all those tricks?
Yeah.
Was it difficult?
A little bit.
A little bit. But do you think they can do it?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you for joining for Happy Hoopy Life, Maya. We will see you in next video.